setting up your action camera. So your camera already on there, goes over the silicone head on the 44mm pole. Then you've got the bracket that holds your phone, the clamp, the bracket, and the rubbers that protect your phone. So that will screw into there. Right. Then you get an 8mm spanner, tighten this nut. So now you decide what orientation you want, whether you want it landscape or portrait. We're going to do landscape on this because that's what the app supports. Tighten that, and that will go on your pole, and you put your phone into there. You take the rubbers, that one on there, that one in there, that one in there, and then these in there. Might be easier to undo that, give yourself a bit more room. So, through there like that. That's it, it's done. That will then go on your pole, and you clamp your phone into there and tighten it.